A lot of popular companies like Volvo, Scania, Electrolux, Spotify, IKEA are homegrown in Sweden. So that says a lot about its innovativeness. I wanted to always work at Volvo since it is a big automotive company and known for a lot of technological things. I get to work with a lot of multicultural mindset, people from different nationalities, and by that they bring in different perspectives in their thinking. I would say Sweden is quite unique in providing you the opportunity and the flexibility that you have at work. So in that way, I feel that you're empowered to make your own decisions, and you tend to become a lot more creative that way. So I encourage people to give Sweden a shot because it's one of the most creative countries to work in, I think.